Today we'll be talking about 9 foods that contain probiotics to help with digestion. Unlike bacteria that can cause disease, probiotics are bacteria or microorganisms that can support the digestive system. Not only that, probiotics can be useful for increasing endurance, heart health, including reducing depression. Probiotics can reduce the number of bad bacteria in the gut that can cause disease or inflammation. Probiotics can replace problematic germs with good or beneficial bacteria. The benefits of probiotics are proven to be able to treat or prevent various diseases, especially those related to the digestive system. Diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, urinary tract infection, recurrence of bladder cancer, infection of the digestive tract caused by Clostridium difficile, pouchitis, a possible side effect of surgery to remove the colon, eczema in children. Foods containing probiotics. Getting probiotics from supplements is indeed popular, but you can also get it from fermented foods. We'll talk about supplements in a few minutes' time. Let's get back to fermented foods. The following foods contain super healthy probiotics. 1. Yogurt. Many people already understand that yogurt is one of the best sources of probiotics. Yogurt is made from milk that has been fermented by good bacteria, especially lactic acid bacteria and bifidobacteria. Eating yogurt is associated with many health benefits, including improving bone health. The consumption of yogurt is also reported to be beneficial for people with high blood pressure, hypertension. In children, yogurt can help reduce diarrhea caused by antibiotics. Yogurt may even help relieve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Additionally, yogurt may be suitable for people with lactose intolerance. This is because the bacteria convert some of the lactose into lactic acid, which also causes yogurt to taste sour. However, keep in mind that not all yogurt contains live probiotics. In some cases, live bacteria have died during processing. For this reason, make sure you choose yogurt with active or live cultures. Also, make sure to always read the label on the yogurt before you buy it. Even if it's labeled low-fat or fat-free, it may still be loaded with high amounts of added sugar. 2. Kefir. Kefir is a fermented probiotic milk drink. Kefir is made by adding kefir seeds to cow or goat milk. Kefir seeds are not cereal grains, but cultures of lactic acid and yeast bacteria that look like cauliflower. The word kefir is thought to have come from the Turkish word, kef, which means, to feel good, after eating. Indeed, kefir has been linked to various health benefits. Kefir is reported to improve bone health, help with several digestive problems, and protect against infection. In the Dictionary of Food Sources of Probiotics, yogurt is probably better known than kefir. But, kefir is actually a better source of probiotics. Kefir contains some of the main strains of friendly bacteria and yeast, making it a diverse and powerful probiotic. Like yogurt, kefir is generally well tolerated by people who are lactose intolerant. 3. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is sauerkraut fermented by lactic acid bacteria. Sauerkraut is a traditional food that is quite popular in Europe as a side dish. Sauerkraut is delicious, salty, and can be stored for months in an airtight container. In addition to its probiotic qualities, sauerkraut is rich in fiber as well as vitamin C, B vitamins, and vitamin K. Not only that, but sauerkraut also contains the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which are important for eye health. If you want to eat it, make sure you choose unpasteurized sauerkraut, because pasteurization kills live and active bacteria. 4. Tempeh or Tempeh. Tempeh is a native Indonesian food that contains high probiotics. Tempeh is a fermented soy product. The fermentation process in soybeans has some surprising effects on their nutritional profile. Soybeans usually contain high phytic acid, plant compounds that interfere with the absorption of minerals such as iron and zinc. However, fermentation decreases the amount of phytic acid, which can increase the number of minerals the body can absorb from tempeh. Fermentation also produces some vitamin B12, a nutrient that soy doesn't contain. Vitamin B12 is mainly found in animal foods, such as meat, fish, dairy products, and eggs. This makes tempeh a great choice for vegetarians as well as anyone looking to add nutritious probiotics to their diet. 5. Kimchi. Kimchi is a typical Korean food that is fermented and has a spicy taste. Cabbage is usually the main ingredient in kimchi, can also use other types of vegetables. Kimchi is usually served with a mixture of spices, such as flakes of red chili, garlic, ginger, green onion, and salt. Kimchi contains lactic acid bacteria Lactobacillus, as well as other lactic acid bacteria that can benefit digestive health. Kimchi made from cabbage is rich in several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, riboflavin, vitamin B2, and iron. 6. Miso. Miso is a Japanese-style spice sauce. This food is traditionally made by fermenting soybeans with salt and a type of mushroom called koji. Miso can also be made by mixing soybeans with other ingredients, such as rice and rye. This sauce is most often used in miso soup, a portion of popular breakfast food in Japan. Miso is usually salty. You can buy them in various variations, such as white, yellow, red and brown. Miso is a good source of protein and fiber. These foods are also reportedly high in a variety of vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds, including vitamin K, manganese, and copper. Miso has been linked to several health benefits. A study reported that frequent consumption of miso soup was associated with a lower risk of breast cancer in middle-aged Japanese women. Another study found that women who ate a lot of miso soup had a reduced risk of stroke. 7. Kombucha. Apart from milk, tea can also be used as a raw material for probiotic drinks. For example, kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented product of black or green tea that contains probiotics. Kombucha has been widely consumed by people in many parts of the world, especially in Asia. Many sources make claims about the potential health effects of kombucha. However, because it is fermented with bacteria and yeast, kombucha may have health benefits related to its probiotic properties. 8. Pickles. Pickles are cucumbers that have been pickled in a solution of salt and water. This food mixture is allowed to ferment for some time, using the naturally contained lactic acid bacteria that it contains. This process makes cucumbers sour. Cucumber pickles are a source of healthy probiotic bacteria that can improve digestive health. These foods are low in calories and a good source of vitamin K, a nutrient essential for blood clotting. However, keep in mind that pickles also tend to be high in sodium. Meanwhile, it's important to note that pickles made with vinegar don't contain live probiotics. 9. Cheese. Although most types of cheese are fermented, that doesn't mean they all contain probiotics. Therefore, it is important to look for which ones contain probiotics on food labels. Several types of cheese generally contain probiotics, namely Gouda cheese, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, and cottage cheese. Cheese is very nutritious and is an excellent source of protein. These foods are also rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including calcium, vitamin B12, phosphorus, and selenium. Moderate consumption of dairy products such as cheese has even been reported to reduce the risk of heart disease and osteoporosis. Stay fit. Stay healthy. Stay tuned. For few seconds we like to introduce you to the importance of digestive enzymes for our digestion systems. Digestion is the process of breaking down food. Our bodies produce enzymes that are essential to digestion, but many people could benefit from extra support. Help breaks down most foods. The broad-spectrum formula includes helpful enzymes that can support the digestion of proteins, starches, sugars, lactose, fats, nuts, plant and fungi fibers, and gluten. Digestive enzymes provides 18 different enzymes, some of which act together, and each is matched specifically to a certain kind of food. The formula can't prevent food allergies or intolerances, but it can support healthy digestion in healthy people. Get more from what you eat. Chewing breaks up big bits of food, the stomach makes the pieces microscopic, and enzymes help to break apart those microscopic particles so they can be absorbed into the bloodstream. Some foods are hard to digest, and supplementary enzymes taken alongside those can help break them down for more efficient absorption. This could be useful to anyone who is looking to get the most from their food, including people on restricted diets, bodybuilders, and the health conscious. For more information, please click the link in the descriptions below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future. Click the link in the description for more information.